He can no longer see. He can't thread the beads, let alone knot tiny 1.5mm cord.
Oh, hello.
So, he's got glasses.
It's really helpful with the glasses.
Is it helping?
A lot.
Made a difference.
Yeah, it's really clear. I can't see before. I can't see the whole like this. Now, oh, that's lovely. Cool.
That's right, friends. It comes to us all. Well, not me. It's come to own that he needs help with his sight and how crucial it is that he can see for all his macrame, knotting, crystal threading pursuits.
Hello.
So what do we think of his new look?
No, that's Daddy work.
Yeah, let me play the link. That's fine. Let me do extra hand. Do you think I can work?
Yeah, just try harder.